Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to x plus 3 because we have x. So I need to put number 3 go to the left, and we have u minus 3 equals to x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we got about du equals to dx. This one we change by u, x we change by this one, dx we change by du. Now we need to expand this number in here. So we have u squared minus 6u plus 9. Next, u to the power of 11 multiplied by u squared, u and number 9. And now we have the final answer. We can apply the formula in here. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about capital C, that is about the constant. So if we apply in here, we will have number 14, number 13, and number 12. So about u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.